Why hire David Deutsch as a business development manager and speaker? This strategy, meticulously designed to convert engagements into profitable partnerships, forecasts a revenue of $607,500. Subtract our initial outlay, and we stand to see profits of $519,500. But what about the navigator of this journey? I am David Deutsch, your guide to not just navigating, but mastering these strategic waters. In a full-time role, my expertise, honed over years of successful engagements and a vast network of over 17,000 professionals, comes at a value of $60,000 per year, plus a performance-based bonus. This investment in my skills ensures not just the execution of a plan, but the realization of a vision. As a consultant speaker, bringing invaluable insights and dynamic engagement to every event, my daily rate, on the other hand, is only $500 per day. It's not just a cost, it's an investment in elevating each seminar and conference from standard gatherings to transformative experiences. So as we look to the horizon, ready to turn potential into prosperity, remember, investing in the right strategy and the right people isn't just spending, it's planting the seeds for the future, ripe with opportunity and growth.